Hi there, I am Manuel Villacorta, registered dietitian, nutritionist, and author of 6 nutrition, weight loss, and cookbooks. As a Blue Crew ambassador, I have partnered with the U.S. High Bush Blueberry Council to share with you my latest recipe, stir-fried chicken with blueberry ginger sauce. Let me tell you, I love blueberries. Did you know that 1 cup serving of blueberries delivers crave-worthy flavor and beneficial vitamins and minerals? Blueberries provide 4 essential nutrients: fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. With 80% of Americans not meeting the recommended intake of fruits, blueberries are a simple solution. They require no slicing or peeling, and they are available year-round. How is that for a win? Blueberries, whether fresh or frozen, offer a delicious sweet tart taste to complement a variety of unique traditions. Peru is my homeland, so I decided to make a recipe that was inspired by Peruvian cuisine. Peruvian cuisine is known to feature a blend of cultures, and this stir-fry showcases Peruvian-Chinese fusion, with blueberries as the perfect addition. Are you ready for my stir-fried chicken with blueberry ginger sauce? Let's grab a boost of blue and let's get cooking. We'll start by making the blueberry ginger sauce. In a saucepan, heat up the oil and saute the onion and garlic. Add the ginger, the blueberries, water, balsamic glaze, brown sugar, sea salt, and chili flakes. Mix the ingredients well and simmer for about 20 minutes or until the sauce thickens. Here's a fun fact. Blueberries contain phytonutrients called polyphenols. These phytonutrients include anthocyanins, plant compounds that give blueberries the beautiful blue color. As the sauce is cooking, let's make the stir fry. In a large skillet over medium heat, heat up the oil, then cook the chicken tenders. Cover for about 5 minutes per side or until the chicken is fully cooked. To the same skillet, add the onions, the bell peppers, salt, and black pepper. Saute for about 5 minutes or until the vegetables are soft. Now